How to share real-time location from Waze. First, open the Waze app and make sure your GPS or location is turned on. Now, enter your destination in the Where to bar and tap Go Now.
Right. And then turn right.
Once navigation begins, you will see route and estimate arrival time. On the bottom of navigation screen, tap Share Drive or Share ETA depending on your version. This let others see your live location. Select how you want to share, messaging app like WhatsApp Messenger or SMS, or copy link to share manually. Once you send the link, your friend or family can view your real-time location, route, and ETA until you reach your destination. You can stop sharing anytime by tapping the drive share and then tap stop sharing on your navigation screen. Also, sharing your drive is super helpful when someone's waiting for you. They will know exactly when you will arrive without needing to call or text. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And see you in the next video, and thank you for watching.